Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Here's the 2024 guys. Okay guys, welcome to my channel, new and old, existing and just a famo. Today I bring you some Modelones Poly Nail Extension Gel. Yes. Now I did say in part one when I unboxed the primer and dehydrator set that I was going to be coming back with part two. And this is part two. So I'm just showing you guys what the box looks like. And you see right at the top, you have the ingredients because it's important. A lot of people have allergies, and I feel when companies are prepared to at least, show their ingredients, it means you can feel that bit safer. You also get some instructions in this little manual. It says, dive in the sea of color, relishing the beauty of colors. I absolutely love that. I think Modelones, their motto is color in life, literally. So everything to do with color is literally their jam. So you also get in this polygel kit, which you'll see, some dual forms and some other stuff, but clearly I am going into the polygel first. I'm just showing you briefly the six polygels I've got, and I'll do a little swatch on some card and I'll show you doing the video. Here are the dual forms I couldn't wait to get to, but sometimes with dual forms you get the really curved. Well, these ones are not really curved. You can get a nice shape out of this, and if you wanted to, you could build your apex. I would say that they are nice and thin. You don't get to put a lot of product in there because you're not supposed to. But then afterwards, obviously, you can go ahead and build your nail. So what I was showing you there was just the rest of the items that you get in this box. You get this UV LED lamp, and it's so pink and cute. Now it looks tiny, but it's actually, it's a decent size. It's just that little bit bigger than, probably the standard size we're used to. And you can see we have 6 LED lights in there. Yes, we do. So I did use this to cure the nails. Here are the 6 colors. You have a beautiful black, and then we had that sort of clear with glitter. It's just, and then a black one with glitter, and then the clear, and a nice pink, and a nice nude. Now that's a combo. So I am going in with the dehydrator and the primer that I previously unboxed, and it's really fast drying. So literally, just do that. And by the time you notice, you are ready to actually start your application. I'm going in now with some base coat because I'm going to be using the dual forms for the purpose of this video, just to show you that, it does work. You do get some slip solution, which I absolutely love. It has a little lid there. So, you're not going to get any spillage. The brush didn't have a lot of wax. I just, cleaned it. And that's me putting it into some alcohol solution. Well, not alcohol, the slip solution that came with the kit. And now I'm going to start the application of the nails, guys. So I'm going to play some music and I'm going to let you watch, and then I'm going to come back in, guys. So that's all I did, guys. I used the dual forms, but I did go in and just make that nail a little bit stronger with a little bit more polygel. And then I used the clear to encapsulate because I have of the glitters. It was just a very, very thin encapsulation. Also, I did have peel off base coat on the nails, so I had to be really careful. That pink is a perfect nail bed color for me, as you can see on the thumb. I did add it in at the end. I just thought, oh, I wonder what that would look like. So I know now that is a perfect nail bed color. And even if I was to do a black tip, it would be actually perfect. I'm going in now with Modelones top coat, which is absolutely glossy and so shiny, and it is a no wipe. And here are the nails, guys. It was just something quick. Instead of doing a swatch, I just thought, you know what, let's just do a quick little nail tutorial. And we use some snowflake stickers. Ta-da! What do you think, guys? Don't forget, you can shop and save at Modelones because they have lots of sales at the moment, guys. And I will leave a link for this polygel kit in the description. I met the Nutcracker Man. Ooh.